Hi there. Today we're going to talk about ad targeting. We're going to talk about best practices on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, and TikTok. Advertising in the digital world is like having a superpower. It lets you pinpoint exactly who sees your message. This is all thanks to ad targeting. Ad targeting is a way to make sure that your ads are shown to the right people at the right time. And it's not just about throwing your message into the online void and hoping for the best. Instead, ad targeting uses smart, data-driven tactics to connect your business with the people who are more likely to be interested in what you're offering. Whether you're a small startup or a big company, understanding how to navigate ad targeting on major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google can make a huge difference. So let's walk together through the ins and outs of ad targeting. Effective ad targeting across digital platforms follows a set of universal principles, regardless of whether you're using Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Google. It's all about understanding and connecting with your audience. And this involves meticulously segmenting your audience based on factors like demographics, interests, and behaviors. Successful ad targeting is also dynamic. It requires constantly analyzing and adapting to how your audience interacts with your content. Improving your targeting requires a lot of testing and observing what works with your audience. Now let's talk about ad targeting tactics for some of the most important platforms. The first and most popular platform, of course, is Facebook. The key to ad targeting on Facebook lies in understanding and leveraging its sophisticated advertising platform to your advantage. With a diverse global user base, Facebook offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach varied audiences. But the real trick is in how precisely you can target them. At the core of Facebook's ad targeting are key options, such as demographics, interests, and behaviors. Demographics allow you to filter audiences by age, gender, location, language, and even relationship status, ensuring that you're speaking directly to your intended group. Interest targeting takes it a step further by diving into users' hobbies, favorite entertainment, and more, which are collected from their interactions on the platform. Behavioral targeting, which is perhaps the most insightful, focuses on user actions like purchase history and device usage, offering a window into consumer habits. However, effective audience segmentation on Facebook isn't just about setting these parameters. It's about striking a balance between being specific enough to reach your ideal customer and broad enough to capture potential new audiences. This involves creating multiple ad sets, each tailored to different segments, and monitoring their performance closely. A crucial aspect here is experimentation and adaptation. And this involves running A/B tests on various elements of your ads, from imagery to messaging, which helps you understand what resonates with each segment. The rich analytics provided by Facebook should be used to continuously refine your approach. Look at which ads are performing best and why. Then use those insights to tweak your targeting and content. By marrying detailed audience segmentation with a data-driven iterative approach, you can turn Facebook's capable advertising platform into a powerful tool, and that helps you reach and engage your target market effectively. Number 2, Instagram. Leveraging Instagram for ad targeting requires a blend of visual appeal and strategic audience segmentation. Although Instagram is owned by Facebook and shares some targeting capabilities, it stands out with its highly visual and mobile-first nature. The platform caters to a younger demographic and thrives on engaging, eye-catching content, making it essential for advertisers to focus on the visual impact of their ads. Instagram's targeting allows advertisers to tap into the same detailed demographic, interest, and behavioral data as Facebook, but it's the way you use this data on Instagram that differs. Since Instagram users are drawn to visually compelling stories and aesthetics, your ads need to be more than just informative. They should be visually captivating and align with the platform's style. For instance, utilizing Instagram stories and influencers is a powerful strategy on this platform. Stories offer a full-screen, immersive experience, which is great for capturing attention with short, impactful content. They allow for creative freedom from using fun filters to adding interactive elements like polls and swipe-up links. Partnering with influencers can also be incredibly effective, as they bring credibility and a ready-made audience who trusts their recommendations. When targeting younger demographics on Instagram, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends and visual styles that resonate with this group. This demographic values authenticity and engagement, so creating content that is relatable and encourages interaction is key. Also, since they're more likely to use mobile devices, ensuring your ads are optimized for mobile viewing is non-negotiable. Ultimately, successful ad targeting on Instagram involves a deep understanding of your audience, a keen eye for design, and a knack for crafting stories that not only inform, but also inspire and connect with viewers on a personal level. Now we move to number 3, which is LinkedIn. LinkedIn distinguishes itself as a platform geared towards career-oriented individuals and organizations, making it an ideal space for B2B marketing. The key to effective LinkedIn ad targeting lies in its rich professional data, enabling precise targeting based on job titles, industries, company size, and even seniority levels. Targeting professionals on LinkedIn means understanding the professional context in which users interact with content. Ads on LinkedIn can be tailored to reach decision makers and influencers within specific industries or companies. For instance, if your product or service is designed for HR professionals, you can directly target individuals with job titles related to human resources management in various industries. Similarly, if your focus is on small businesses, you can target individuals in management roles within companies of a certain size. Content strategies on LinkedIn should be oriented towards demonstrating expertise and value, and this could involve sharing insights, industry news, or thought leadership content that resonates with your targeted professional group. Such content not only positions your brand as an authority, but also encourages engagement and sharing within professional circles. Leveraging LinkedIn's networking features is also crucial. This involves participating in relevant groups, engaging with content posted by your target audience, and utilizing LinkedIn's InMail for direct, personalized communication. Networking on LinkedIn is about building relationships, not just broadcasting messages. Number 4, we have Google Ads. Google offers 2 primary advertising capabilities, the search network and the display network. The search network allows advertisers to place ads in search engine results, targeting specific keywords that users are searching for. This is critical for capturing the intent behind searches, because it lets you connect with users who are actively seeking information or solutions that your business can provide. Keyword targeting is at the heart of the search network. Selecting the right keywords requires understanding not just the terms your audience uses, but also the intent behind these searches. Are they looking for information, trying to make a purchase, or comparing products? This understanding can significantly impact the effectiveness of your campaigns. For local businesses, focusing on location-based keywords and phrases that potential customers in their area might use is crucial. This local targeting, combined with Google My Business listings, can drive significant foot traffic to physical stores. For e-commerce, Google Ads can be utilized to target potential buyers based on their search history, interests, and online behavior. Using the display network, e-commerce businesses can display visually appealing ads across a vast network of websites, reaching customers who may not have been actively searching for their products but have shown related interests. To make the most of Google Ads, continuous testing and optimization are essential. Regularly reviewing campaign performance, experimenting with different keywords, ad formats, and targeting options, as well as adjusting based on results, will help in refining strategies and achieving better return on investment. Last but not least, we have TikTok. When it comes to ad targeting on TikTok, you should be aware of several key points to maximize this platform's potential. First and foremost, TikTok's user base is significantly younger compared to other social media platforms. Users have a distinct preference for authentic, creative, and engaging content. This demographic shift requires a unique content approach, one that resonates with a generation that values originality and trend participation. That's why you should focus on creating content that is not only visually appealing, but also aligns with the dynamic, often spontaneous nature of the platform. Another crucial aspect of TikTok advertising is the power of hashtag challenges and trending content. These are vital tools for viral marketing within TikTok because they encourage broad user participation and content generation. By tapping into or initiating trending challenges, brands can significantly amplify their visibility and engagement. TikTok also offers sophisticated targeting options, allowing advertisers to segment audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, much like traditional social media platforms. However, the effectiveness on TikTok lies in how these tools are used to engage a user base that thrives on personalization and relevancy. Another thing that is particularly helpful on TikTok is utilizing influencer partnerships. Influencers on this platform command considerable influence due to their authentic connections with their followers, and collaborating with them can provide advertisers with an avenue to reach targeted audiences in a way that feels organic and genuine. Understanding these aspects of TikTok, like its audience, content preferences, targeting capabilities, and the influential role of its content creators, is essential for advertisers aiming to make a significant impact on this rapidly changing platform. So to wrap things up, there are 5 things that you need to prioritize to do ad targeting right, and that's regardless of the platform you're using. The 5 things are precise audience segmentation, data utilization and analysis, consistent A/B testing, adaptability to platform-specific trends and features, and balancing between reach and relevance. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you now have a better understanding of ad targeting. But if you need any help with that, Profile Tree has helped hundreds of businesses with it, and we're happy to help you too. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.